Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you how I extract my carrot oil. Very easy, very straightforward. This is coconut oil. This is what we are going to be using as our base oil to extract. We are going to be using this as our extract oil. This is 100% coconut oil. Okay, then we have a carrot. We need a grater. We need a sieve, and of course I have my bottle. So this is where I'm going to store my carrot oil once we are done. I've washed the carrots already. Just going to use like so, because like this is the amount that I want to prepare. I don't want it to be too much. Can see, I think this is okay. I'm just going to turn off the heat and wait for it to cool a little bit. I'll try to sieve this first, and then I'll leave it to cool before pouring it into my storage bottle, just because I don't want to leave it down for too long and then the carrot chaff or pulp starts soaking up the oil all over again. So I'm going to try to drain this out now, just very carefully because it's still very hot. So this is it now. Though it's still hot, but I'm going to try to sieve it a little bit before I leave it to cool down, because I don't want the whole of my carrot oil going back into the pot. So let's just do this very carefully. But this, even if I don't keep this now in the fridge, it's going to be very durable. Okay, so now we are set. I'm going to turn this in my bottle. This is the bottle I want to use to store my oil, my carrot oil. I got this for about 500 naira. see that. So beauties, this is the finished product. This is a pure carrot oil. You can see. You see, all oily, all oil, pure oil. So I think this method is very, very good. I think you should try it out. You're really going to enjoy the oil you're going to get from this method. Remember to keep the heat very, very low. The heat was very, very low, and it still didn't take me more than 10 minutes to extract this. So keep your heat very low, just be patient. The carrot is going to dry out and you are going to have all your carrot extract in your coconut oil. So this is it. You see, can I say this oil is gorgeous? So thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Nobody charge you anything, just subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you. To my next video. Bye.